Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
This guide covers the Mercedes E-Class 2012 with Command or Audio 20 systems. Confirm your vehicle has Bluetooth as a factory option or retrofit module. Ensure your phone supports Bluetooth 2, 1 or newer, and has Bluetooth enabled. Have the head unit PIN ready, commonly 0000, or your stored 4-digit code. Keep your phone within 3 feet of the center console during pairing to avoid interruptions. Turn off any other nearby Bluetooth devices to prevent automatic connections from interfering. Start the car and access the telephone menu on Command or Audio 20. Select Connect Device and then choose Search for Bluetooth devices on your phone. When a device named Mercedes or MB appears, select it on your phone to initiate pairing. The head unit will display a 4-digit PIN. Confirm the PIN matches your phone before accepting. When prompted, allow phonebook and call history access for contact syncing. Wait patiently as phone contacts sync. The process may take up to 2 minutes. If pairing fails, remove any previous Mercedes entries from your phone and try again. Reboot your phone and cycle the car ignition before another attempt to clear connection errors. If the unit still rejects your phone, try pairing with Bluetooth visibility set to always visible on the phone. For hands-free calls, use the phone or tel menu and select the paired device to call. A retrofit module may require a firmware update or dealer activation for full features and smartphone music streaming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.